Hello, welcome back to Italian Food Boss. Today, sandwich with shrimps, prosciutto and burrata. Something different, easy to prepare, not something that you need to cook, you don't need to spend hours on the stove. We are going to the beach, we just want something tasty to eat. So what's better than a nice sandwich, prosciutto freshly cut, burrata, a melting Italian cheese, and shrimps, prawns. I don't know how you call them. Some areas they call them shrimps, some areas they call them prawns. They are a bit different, but they taste good anyway. Sandwich, shrimps, prosciutto and burrata. I'm gonna give you an alternative, okay, to this sandwich. We have the prosciutto here. Camera lady, close up on the prosciutto. So this is Parma ham, prosciutto di Parma. This is from the leg of the pig, okay? And then we have capicollo. Capicollo is another cut of the pig. So this comes from the neck, basically. And I'm going to prepare two different sandwiches, one with prosciutto and one with capicollo. And then you can decide. This is a bit harder, I think, to find outside of Italy, but not impossible. I found it. Then we have burrata. Mamma mia, la burrata, the best guys. Fresh cheese inside. Once we open it, this is gonna come all the milk, stracciatella, phenomenal. And then we have our shrimps, okay? The shrimps, we're just gonna marinate them a bit with a bit of lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper, and then I'll show you what we are gonna do. These are the prawns, shrimps. So you can boil them quickly, devein, take the tail, take the head off. Simply, nothing really much you have to do. You just boil them a bit and they're ready to go. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, always. Then salt and pepper, a bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and then we take our lemon and we throw some zest on this. Senti, the smell. So this lemon, as you know, come from my garden. Like all the lemons I use in my recipe. Then I cut the lemon in half, and we're gonna use some of the juice. And it's okay, you move them a bit. You let them to marinate for a few minutes. Look, the smell, super phenomenal. You just let them rest for a few minutes. Now it's time to slice our sandwich. Today I bought filoncini. Of course I couldn't wait, so this end is gone, but we can use this other end. I'll cut this bit and we do cut them in half, and let's prepare our sandwich. I'm gonna do the first version with prosciutto, quindi prosciutto crudo at the bottom like this. Nice. Let's do another one because we have to fill it properly. And then what we do, we break our burratina. Look at this, my goodness. And we lay our burratina like this, like so, guys. But I'm sure you're hungry already. Don't tell me that you are not starving by looking at these fantastic images. Come close, look at this. pepper bit. And then what do? We let this here. Our nice shrimps. Put them on top like this. Look at this. This sandwich tastes like sea, guys. Look at this. Look. Camera ready. Look. Look at this. And now we are ready to taste my sandwich, shrimps, prosciutto and burrata. Mamma mia, look at this. I wish I was at the beach now. Took 2 minutes to make, but that burrata, that zest from the lemon, and then the prosciutto. I think with the capicollo will be even better. I'll try next. Look at that. White wine. Thanks to all of you that are subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Tell all your friends. Cook, eat, enjoy life. White wine, sandwich, shrimps, prosciutto and burrata. Ciao a tutti da Italian Food Boss. That's how it's done in Italia, guys. Ciao.